Why do processing times keep going back further and further? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri and San Diego, California. In today's video, we're using a new camera. I hope you like the new camera. We'll see how it goes. This is our new setup moving forward. I got a better definition camera. It allows us to shoot in 4K, and I'll be using it for my live show on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But in the video, we're talking about processing times, and people are really frustrated right now with processing times. The cases are taking longer and longer to get adjudicated, and USCIS keeps posting processing times that are now months and months and even years of delay. And so we've been getting a lot of questions about, can I move my case from one service center to another? What should I do about the processing time? Should I believe the processing times? You know, historically, we've never put much weight in the processing times. We've always thought that USCIS was underestimating how long a case would take. But now, these processing times, they're saying, you know, 1.5 years for a work card and 2 years for a green card. I think that a lot of that is just the Trump administration's purposeful delay of the immigration process. And I would expect that after the transition into the Biden presidency that we'll start to see these numbers go back down. USCIS has been starved of resources. A lot of the money's been diverted towards enforcement and towards border patrol issues, and we think that when USCIS gets back to handling business in its normal fashion, that these processing times will come back down. At the end of the day, I don't think you should spend much time thinking about processing times. I think that every case is different. It all depends on what field office you're at, which service center you're at. And in answer to that question about whether you can change from one service center to another, you cannot. So don't spend too much time trying to pull that off. That would be a waste of time. So the processing times are what they are. I think you should be aware of them, but don't get too worked up about them. And just know that eventually your case is going to be decided. Of course, if it goes on and on for too long, we can sue them. But I wouldn't live and die based on the processing times, and I wouldn't get all that upset if your case goes from one service center to another. So I understand why people are concerned about processing times, but I don't think you need to spend much time worrying about processing times. It just is what it is. I know that's frustrating. I know that people get upset about that. But at the end of the day, you're just waiting for your own case to be adjudicated. So if you have questions about processing times, or if you need help filing an immigration case, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. You can join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We also have a great YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. Whenever we make a new video, you'll get an update, and you'll also know when we go live. And we're going live every Tuesday and Thursday, usually at noon Central Time. And we'd love to have you join us at that time. You can answer or ask any question, and I'll try my very best to answer it. And we will also, you can connect with us on Instagram. So join us in Immigrant Home or on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday, usually at noon. If we don't do it at noon, we put out an announcement, and we'd love to have you in there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.